Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design. Today I'm going to show you how to fertilize blueberries with ammonium sulfate. Now blueberries need very acidic soil. So when you're talking about soil, soil has a certain pH level, which means it's either neutral, it's alkaline, or acidic. Blueberries, just like camellias, azaleas, gardenias, thrive in acidic soil conditions. So if your soil in your garden or in your planting mix is not acidic, you do need to supplement it in order for your blueberries to flower and fruit and be successful. One of the things you should do is, if you're going to be planting your blueberries in the ground as opposed to in a planting mix, is you should take the time to buy a soil testing kit and see what the pH is. If the pH is below 6, so it's around 4.5 or 5 on the pH scale, then you're probably okay. But if it's not, or if your soil planting mix isn't acidic enough, then you will need to supplement it. One of the options that you have is ammonium sulfate, which is a salt that acidifies the soil. Ammonium sulfate on its own is kind of difficult to use, so I wouldn't recommend it unless you are a large-scale farmer and really know what you're doing. But in the nursery centers, you can buy what's called soil acidifier, which contains ammonium sulfate. It's high nitrogen. It also acidifies the soil. But it's very important that you do follow the directions completely. So the first thing that you'll want to do is read the directions, and in this particular kind, it's a granular mix, so you can see it's kind of a bright blue. And you can either use it as a foliar spray and put it in a spray container and spray the leaves with it, which is great if you notice that some of your leaves are turning a little bit yellow. I like to use it as a soil drench to really make sure that the soil around the plant and that the roots are going to be getting the nutrients from has enough acid in it. So the instructions call for 1 tablespoon into 1 gallon of water. So I actually have a 3-gallon bucket here, so I filled it a third of the way through. It dissolves pretty quickly, and then I'm just going to use it on a potted one here, is get it under there and give it a nice good drenching so that the water drains through the holes. You probably only need to do this maybe once every 3 to 4 months, and also you could supplement with a powdered fertilizer that's meant for acid-loving plants as well. If you have any other questions on how to fertilize blueberries with ammonium sulfate, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.